Hello, welcome to this week's vlog. I haven't vlogged in about 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks, because the last time I vlogged is when we took the kids to the beach, and that was tomorrow. It will be 2 weeks, so I haven't had a chance to vlog, and I forgot to film an introduction for that vlog because I wanted to show you guys a little bit about Naples. That's where we went, Naples Beach. A little bit about the beach. It was really beautiful, and I forgot to do an introduction, so this will be the introduction. I will be showing you guys later in a few minutes our trip to Naples. It was nice. It's short, but it's really nice. The beach was beautiful. It was sunny. It wasn't too hot. The water was freezing for my standards. I didn't get into the water. I didn't wear a swimsuit or nothing. I wasn't planning to go in the water because it was cold, because I knew the water was going to be cold, especially on the Gulf Coast of Florida. The water is a little bit colder, at least in that area, a little bit colder than the Atlantic Ocean, which is the side where I live. And I live in South Florida, in the Miami area, and I hardly ever go to the beach in this area. I like to go to the West Coast most of the time, like the Sarasota area. That's my favorite beach in Florida. Siesta Key is my favorite beach in Florida, but we decided to go to Naples because that's where it's closer to where the kids live with their mom, so we decided to take them there before we took them back home. So yeah, and we are planning on going tomorrow again. We want to take them somewhere. I'm not sure where, maybe the Naples Zoo or the Botanical Garden, whatever we do, and it's interesting. I'll film it for you guys to see. So before I show you our beach trip, let me just talk a little bit about what I decided to wear. I did the makeup in the car on the way over, and I filmed it for Instagram stories. If I'm able to transfer it to my iPad so I could edit it into this video, then I will do it. If not, go to my Instagram and stories, in highlights under the letter M, makeup. You'll find it there towards the end. But let me show you what I used that time. I used a Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Light Revealer, Natural Skin Illuminator in the shade 1CO Cameo. I've used this almost every day since that day. I love this tinted moisturizer. It's beautiful. And for face and eyes, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Nudegasm Face Palette, which of course I've used it many times. I love this. It's one of my favorite items, and I mentioned it in my 2021 favorites, I believe. Yeah, I love it. I use this color as a bronzer. I don't know if I used bronzer already. I think I didn't use it as bronzer. I use it in the outer half of my eyes, and then I use let me take that back. I did use it as a bronzer, and then I use these two on my eyelids and on my cheeks and my highlight. I love it. And for concealer, I use the Rare Beauty concealer, which is also one of those concealers I've used mostly the last 2 weeks. And for mascara, I use the Chantecaille Full C's. I can't see the name right now, but it's a Full C Longest Lash Mascara. It's getting close to expiration, so I am gonna get a backup soon. And this is and for lips, I use the NARS something Gasm. No, Nympho, but what is the name of the lipstick? Afterglow, I'm sorry, Afterglow Lip Shine in the shade Nympho, which is really pretty. Right now I'm gonna get ready to film something else. I ordered the Olivia Palermo Regalia eyeshadow palette and a couple of her lipsticks, and I'm gonna do that video now. And I also want to try the reformulated or new Clé de Peau Radiant Cream Foundation, and like this, and concealer. I'm gonna try those next, but that's gonna be in a separate video. So my memory was full, and I had to erase some old content. So okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna do that in a separate video, which I think you'll probably see after this one. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna upload first, but stay tuned. That will be coming up soon. Well, no, the makeup one will come before, because I do want to film tomorrow. If we do go to anywhere, Botanical Garden, the zoo, wherever we go, I want to film that. So this vlog will probably go up Tuesday or Thursday, and then my makeup video will come out Sunday, before this one comes out. So I think that's all I want to talk to you about. I have received a lot of new makeup lately, which I want to do in separate videos. Some Dior lipsticks, Chanel lipsticks, and I got this in PR. I've never heard of this brand, Replenix. Sensitive green tea, gentle soothing cleanser. I've been using it for the last couple of days, and the Age Restore Brightening Moisturizer has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and niacinamide. I'm wearing it now. I used it last night before bed, and then this morning when I got up and I showered and I put it on again. My skin feels really soft, and I have some I got like a pimple up here, or a whitehead up here in my forehead this morning, and it cleared up. So I mean, it's pretty good, and it feels really soft, and doesn't have like any specific fragrance. It just smells like really fresh, really clean. I like it. I got it in PR. It just, I don't remember if they reached out to me or they just found me on Instagram or something, and then they found my address and then sent me a box of those products to try. I don't remember, but so far so good. I am going to be using it longer, of course, at least 2 weeks, so I could give you a more thorough answer, more of my final opinion. But I'm going to keep on using it because I do really like it. It's really light and it feels really soft. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys our trip to Naples, and then I'll come back. If I'm able to film again, I will. If not, then you'll see our next trip to Naples, our second trip, and at least the second trip in this vlog. And I'll show you guys. Most likely I'm leaning towards going to the botanical garden because I don't know, I want to get some orchids for my office, and maybe they sell orchids there. I don't know. Let's see what the kids want to do, or maybe we'll do both because they're like close to each other. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoy our trip to the beach, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye. You enjoyed our trip to the beach. I know we did. The kids loved it, and that was about 2 weeks ago. And then yesterday we went again to Naples, and we wanted to go to the, or at least I wanted to go to the botanical garden, but by the time we got to Naples, it was like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It was a little bit late to go into the garden because they closed at 5. So what we thought was to go to downtown. It's called the Fifth Avenue area in downtown Naples, and I'm gonna show you that right now. We enjoyed it very much. I loved it. I told my husband that I wanna go back, maybe spend a weekend there, just to go to the shops and eat at some restaurants, just walk around. And it's about 15-minute walk from the beach, so it's not that bad. And yeah, I really did enjoy it. So I'm gonna show you that in just a bit, but before I go, I want to show you some packages I got today in the mail. They're both PR. One is from Dermalogica. I got a serum, a circular hydration serum. Some Dermalogica products I've liked in the past, but there was one that I tried that had some AHAs, and then it irritated my skin a lot, so I stopped using it. But I have hopes for this one because it's a long-lasting hydration for daily skin health, and I do have dry skin, so I'm really looking forward to trying this too. Anything that helps my hydration is very welcome. It's a long-lasting serum, immediately floods skin with hydration, replenishes from within, and helps prevent future hydration evaporation. That sounds great. Right now I'm testing for a couple of weeks the products I got from another brand, so I'm gonna test those out, and then I'll test this one, and I'll let you guys know in the future video how I liked it. And the other product I got is from Kiehls. I do get Kiehls products once in a while. I'm in their PR list, and I'm very thankful for both Dermalogica and Kiehls for sending me their new things. From Kiehls is the Ultimate Eye Zone Treatment. Oh, okay, cool. I've seen this in other videos, and I was waiting for it, and I got it. Great. And it's 2 products. It's the Super Multi-Corrective Cream that visibly firms, lifts, soothes, boosts radiance, moisturizes, evens textures, and enhances healthy complexion. So I guess it's for the whole face. And then we got the Super Multi-Corrective Eye Zone Treatment for brow bone, eyelid, outer corner, and under eye. Oops. And they're both like really pretty, like in purple with a silver top, silver lid. Really excited for this. Thank you, Kiehls and Dermalogica, for sending me these products. So now what I'm going to do to finish this video, this week's vlog, or yeah, this vlog, I'm going to show you some snippets of our trip to Fifth Avenue in Naples, downtown Naples. So we're going back again, going back on the road, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So if ever you're in the Florida area, in the west, Naples is in the southwest area of Florida. I live in the southeast side of Florida. If you're ever in the area, I do recommend going there in Naples. There's also Marco Island that is close by, but I haven't been there in years, and we're planning on going soon. So whenever we go, I'll definitely record it for you guys and show you on a vlog. So before I show you our trip to Fifth Avenue in downtown Naples, let me give you an update on my AeroGarden. Let me take you to my kitchen. Look at that, how pretty. It has grown so much. This is my 2 basils, and then here we have parsley, then we have here some thyme, this is dill, and then I have my mint down here. But look how big it has grown, and it smells so nice. I already cut some leaves when I did my some pasta the other day, but it's grown so much. I'm gonna have to cut more and put them in olive oil to reserve them for longer periods of time. So there you saw an update of my AeroGarden. I'm really happy that I got it, and I'm thinking maybe in the future getting the pods, getting them like in cherry tomatoes and other veggies and other spices or other herbs. Really happy about that. So yeah, now I'm going to show you our little trip to Fifth Avenue, downtown Naples. I hope you enjoyed it. Is it good?
Yes.
En la cajita gris.
I'd have to think about it.
So I hope you enjoy our trip to Naples as well as you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.